Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. Once again, I'm at the creek. Let's see if we can get a bite. Looks like a lot of mud. Good thing I have my boots on today. We can still go exploring and fish this area. Just got to make sure I don't slip and fall. Let's take this float off. I don't think I'll be using this today. The water is pretty shallow. Let's find a spot to step into the water without falling. Right? It's really slippery and muddy right here. Wow. All right, the water is about 2 inches from the top of my boots, but if I go nice and slow, I should be able to stay dry. We're headed out here to this rushing water. Can you see the stone slab out there? I want to fish the water that's rushing past there. Maybe this pool over here a little bit. Let's see if we can get bit. Here's what we're fishing with today, live red worms. I finally broke down and bought another tub. The previous one lasted a long time. I caught a lot of fish. But all good things must come to an end. And it's time for the next chapter. Fishing that new UltraLight today. Let's see if we can get a bite on half of a red worm. I got one small split shot on there. It seems to be getting hung up a little bit. We could catch a shiner, we could catch a stone roller, maybe a creek chub, maybe a stock trout, maybe nothing. Missed him. Fast bite. Did I get him? I think I got him. First fish of the day right here. Ultralight fishing. It's a shiner. Not very big. 3.5, maybe 4 inches. Just a little guy. But I got him. Fishing the UltraLight in the creek.
What's up? This is Dixon with the Rockin' Wrestling Federation, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
All right, we're at 1 fish so far, and a horrible cast. All right, we're at 1 fish so far, and let's see if we can get another one. Did I get him? I got him. Another little guy here. Another shiner. This one's a bit bigger than that last one. Come on. There we go. This one's pretty squirmy. Let's see if we can get a look at him. Yeah, that one's about twice as big. Got about a 4.5 incher here. Getting better. Getting better. Let's keep trying. Yeah, we got some small fish down here playing with the worm. Oh, let's hook my worm on a little better. It's getting pretty chewed up here. Hey, at least we're getting some bites. small shiners, but you never know. We might get a nice one mixed in there. They're hard to hook. Even though I have a size 10 hook, they're pretty elusive. They just peck at it and let go right away. Oh, got a gob of moss or algae or something off the bottom. All right, time for a new worm. And I'm gonna fish with more of the worm now. I've been cutting them in half, but I have removed the pinch on sinker. So I'm carefully working this worm up the hook and up the line. I'm gonna fish the whole worm. Here's what it looks like. Just take your time, you can get it. Hopefully I can get enough casting distance.
My name's Emma. Always keep it realistic.
It just wasn't drifting right with that split shot because the water isn't moving very fast. Got to kind of whip it out there, but I'm getting about 10 to 15 feet on that cast. Yeah, maybe it's drifting too quickly now. Huh. I haven't noticed much of an improvement since taking off the weight, so I might put it back on just for that distance. Yeah, this isn't really helping. I thought it might, but it's not. Let's put the weight back on. Here's the weight I'm using, just a tiny little BB sized pinch on sinker. The sun is starting to go down, so I need to start catching them. Let's see if this helps. Whoa, there was a bite. Okay, let's try that again. Shorter cast. Had a bite in this area over here. Take it again. Dang, missed him. Come on, we got to get this guy. Did I get him? I got him. Oh, he came off. I had him for a second. Got him. Come to Papa. Another shiner here. Well, there he goes. Count it. Another 4-inch shiner.
This is Seth from Goodsville, Tennessee. You're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Dang it. Ah. Got him. Fish on. Fighting the current. Here we go. Another 4-inch shiner. Yeah, not bad. Like I said, at least I'm catching something. All right, do I keep fishing here and catching 4-inch shiners, or do I move down that way and hope I can catch something else? All right, let's go this way. Yeah, this is looking good. Let's see if we can get a fish over here. I want to fish that spot right there where it gets narrow. Let's see if we can get across. Wow. Holy cow. Holy cow, I made it. Let's fish on the other side of this tree right here. Dang it, there was a bite. Yes! Pop that one right out of the water. We got another shiner here. Another common shiner. Good size here. Maybe 5. That's one of the bigger shiners today.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Mario Jackson from RWF. Keep it realistic with realistic fishing.
So, as you can see, the sun is going down. It definitely takes a certain kind of patience to fish for small fish, especially in the winter when it's cold. I like it though. I had a good time. What did I get? 6 or 7 shiners? Yeah, that's worth it for me. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.